Hello everyone. GATE 2025 civil engineering already completed. In the last video, we are discussing about the first shift paper and along with the second shift paper also. And then the second shift paper we discuss about the mathematics. Today we will discuss about the geotechnical part. So let's continue the geotechnical part. In geotechnical part, we will the most of the questions are belong to the fundamental area, and the fundamental concept is important. And the overall in GATE examination in 2025, whether it's a shift 1 or shift 2, they are focused on the fundamental area. Okay, let's begin. Let us discuss about the first question what I have received for a partially saturated soil deposited at a construction site. The water content is given as 15%. Degree of saturation is given it is 67%. Void ratio is given is equal to 0.6, and the specific gravity G is 2.67, and consider unit weight of water 9.81 kilonewton, and the required weight of water to fully saturated total volume equal to 5 meter cube. Now the water content S is equal to 67% to fully saturated, as I have mentioned the word fully saturated. So for fully saturated means what? S equal to 100%. So the question is the required weight of water in kilonewton. Let's see free body means three-phase diagram. Okay, if it is solid, it's water, and this is air. Then this is what? This is volume of solid, this is volume of void. Okay, then we can write what we can write. V as volume of solid is equal to total volume by 1 plus E. Okay, then as per the question, volume of solid is equal to 1 plus 0.6, total volume 5. Clear? Now void ratio E equal to volume of void by volume of solid. Okay, so volume of void is equal to E into volume of solid. Okay, and air content is equal to what? In this scenario अभी इसमें कितना, ये जो है वाटर है, ये इतना वाटर में कन्वर्ट होगा, 67% वाटर है. अभी जो सेकंड फेज में ये 100% होगा. तो ये तो वॉइड जो है मेरा, अभी इस वॉइड में क्या है? एयर है. ये जो है मेरा एयर वॉइड है अभी इसमें. ठीक, अभी ये एयर को रिप्लेस करेंगे थ्रू वाटर. यही तो किया गया ना. अभी इसी वाटर का मुझे वेट निकालना है इन किलो न्यूटन. दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन दे हैव आस्क्ड. इतने तो निकालना है हमको. अगर तो फिर एयर कंटेंट कितना होगा? वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड. ओके, देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ जो एयर होगा ये इक्वल टू ए सी इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड. क्लियर? ठीक, फिर अगर ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड क्या रहेगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर वी विल रिप्लेस दिस इक्वेशन, देन E into Vs, okay, into Vs. And as we know from, consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2, okay, then replacing Vs 1, equation 1, then AC E into Vs into 5 by 1.6 using equation 1. Now just put the value, okay. AC is what, 1 minus 0.67, air content is 0.67 as it is mentioned here, 0.67 into volume of void, what, 0.6 into 5 by 1.6, okay. Then this is will be your in meter cube and it will be volume of air, which this ये जितना आएगा वही क्या होगा, वही होगा जो एयर से वाटर से रिप्लेस हुआ है, सिर्फ इतनी रहेगा। फिर यही जो क्वांटिटी रहेगा ये वाटर से रिप्लेस होगा, तो उन लोगों ने मुझे सवाल में वही निकालने के लिए बोला था, तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कितना वॉल्यूम है ये। By simplifying, what we are receiving, 0.618, okay. Now they are asked for weight, to find out the weight, okay, weight of water required for saturation, means fully saturation they are looking for, means weight of water will be, additional weight of water required will be volume of air into वाटर का जो डेंसिटी रहेगा, तो कितना आ रहा है इसमें 0.618 into 9.81 as it is given, then it's come in kilonewton and it's become 6.07 kilonewton. And the question they have in that question the options are A, B, C, D. The options are 5, 6, 7, 8, and your option answer will be 6. That's the point. The simple question they have asked, and most importantly the question what they have asked, that is a fundamental question in the entire GeoTech examination in this year, especially in the civil engineering, whether it's a tech or non-tech. Now solve the next question. The next question is a 6 meter thick clay stratum draining both way, top and bottom, is 60% consolidated in 2 years, and MB is given and gamma W is given, okay. Gamma W is given. Coefficient of permeability, you have to find out the K. That's the question, okay. Let us solve this one. Solution. What are the given data? This is double drain condition. 3 and both way means double, means in that case D is equal to 6 meter, and so the अगर ये दोनों तरफ से हो रहा है ना ड्रेनेज, तब एज क्या होगा, D/2 होगा, दैट्स इट, ओके, D/2 मीटर. Then MB is given, MB is equal to 1.51 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per kilonewton. MB is given, then gamma W is also given 9.81, and T 50 equal to 2 years. Is it given? As we know, TV equal to CVT by D square, okay. In our case T TV, in our case CVT by d square, means 6/2 square. There is one additional formula by which it is saying this TV equal to pi/4 into u square. In our case pi/4 into 0.5 square. And then this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equating equation 1 and equation 2, then what we have क्या मिल रहा है, CVT by 6/2 square is equal to pi/4.5 square. After solving it, what we will get? We will get CV in meter square per year. So what is the value? .88 meter square. Okay, now as per the question, we are calculating the K, permeability, coefficient of permeability we are calculating, is equal to MV CV into comma dot, and this question is belong to PYQ. Majority in this इस साल बेसिक सवाल आया है PYQ से, बहुत PYQ से अगर कोई अपना बेसिक भी क्लियर करना चाह रहा है, फंडामेंटल भी, तब भी ये बहुत ही वो रहेगा. Then if just put the value CV MV, they have given 1.51 into 10 to the power minus 3 into CV we just calculated into 9.81, and that's your answer. It will be in per year. Yes, minute. Okay, what is the answer you are getting? 0.013, and that's your answer. Okay, now move to the next question. क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है डिटेल ऑफ एक नेट फ्लो डायग्राम का डिटेल्स दिया उन लोगों ने. हेड डिफरेंस जो रहेगा, हेड डिफरेंस रहेगा 9 मीटर का, एंड नंबर ऑफ इक्विपोटेंशियल ड्रॉप ND. हेड डिफरेंस जो है आपका वो रहेगा 9 मीटर. डेल्टा एच ये है गिवन, डेल्टा एच इज इक्वल टू 9 मीटर. देन इक्विपोटेंशियल ड्रॉप ND जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ND इज इक्वल टू 10. Then length of the fluid nearest to the two is 1 meter, and length of the fluid near to the two dam is 1 meter. Okay, length of flow is equal to 1 meter. Then also they have given the rho saturated 21 kilonewton per meter cube and rho W 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. And they have asked for find out the factor of safety in the quicksand condition. quicksand condition के बेस पे आपको factor of safety निकालना. That's it. That's a very simple question. तो फिर हम लोग क्या देखेंगे कि जो ग्रेडियंट रहेगा वो कैसा रहेगा. ओके, change in head difference by the length. Okay, head loss. Okay, ये रहेगा आपका head loss divided by length of flow field. ये जो length of flow field given है. Okay, length of is equal to what? This is 9 meter, 9 meter, and equipotential depth 10 divided by 1 is equal to 0.9. I hope it is clear to you. Now we are calculating the critical. In critical case, submerged by water, as it is given 21.0 minus 9.81 divided by 9.81, कितना आ रहा है ये आएगा आपका 1.14. Now for quicksand condition, factor of safety is equal to I critical by I. Then I critical how much? 1.14 और ये कितना रहेगा 0.9. So this is your, ये हो गया मेजर कंपोनेंट, ये हो गया मेरा क्रिटिकल वाला कंपोनेंट. तो डिवाइडेड टू, ये दोनों को डिवाइड करने से मुझे मिल जा रहा है. दैट्स इट. कितना आ रहा है ये 1.27 एंड दैट इज योर आंसर. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर. टोटली बेसिक. लास्ट मतलब मैं हमेशा यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर है उसी से ज़्यादातर आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ज़्यादातर आ रहा है उसमें. ए सर्कुलर प्लेट of diameter 1 meter placed on the surface of a dry sand, okay, and unit weight is atho. Okay, what are the given data are there in GATE examination? Try to write down all the given data, that it will be simplify most of the question. The plate is circular. That's simple. The plate is circular with diameter is 1 meter, okay, and जो डेंसिटी है वो है 116.66 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. And the failure of plate is occur at then Q failure is equal to 1500 kilopascal. Okay, now what they are looking for, they are looking for the considering Tarjak shearing capacity theory, bearing factor. Okay, bearing factor they are looking for. In circular plate, what we know, the QU equal to, बहुत ही सिंपल सवाल है. PYQ जो लोग प्रिपेयर करके गए थे और जिनको फंडामेंटल क्लियर है उनके लिए बहुत ही आसान सवाल रहेगा. देन 500 इज इक्वल टू 0.3 एंड दिस इज द इक्वेशन. देयर इज नथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट. ठीक है, एक इक्वेशन है सिर्फ. जब हम लोग फंडामेंटल सब्जेक्ट वाइज टॉपिक वाइज पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें पूरा देखेंगे क्या है क्या नहीं है. तो ये बहुत ही फंडामेंटल चीज़ है, ये बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. तो उसमें 0.5 एंड देन दिस इज 1 मीटर. गामा इज ऑल्सो गिवन 16.66 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एन गामा. As a just side note, I am just saying, this is just a side note or reference note, that for bearing capacity QU is equal to CNC plus gamma DF NQ plus half gamma BN gamma. Okay, and this is for strip footing. Okay, and for square footing, and for for square footing, okay, for square footing QU is equal to 1.3 CNC plus gamma DFNQ plus 0.4 gamma B and gamma. And for circular footing QU is equal to 1.3 CNC, just look at this area, 1.3 CNC plus gamma DFNQ plus 0.3 gamma B and gamma. In our case we are just using this part, 0.3 gamma B and gamma. This is for, okay, circular foundation. Then just calculate and find out the NQ. Then NQ become what? Around 300. And that's your answer. ज़्यादातर जितना भी सवाल आया है इस साल में सभी PYQ से आया है एंड बहुत ही फंडामेंटल चीज़ें पूछा गया है. तो जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं गेट 2026 के लिए, उनके लिए इतने सजेशन रहेगा कि आप लोग पहले अपना सवाल अच्छे से पढ़िए एंड जो भी है अपना डाउट क्लियर रखिएगा. फंडामेंटल चीज़ें से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अभी आप अगर दिस ईयर का पेपर फर्स्ट और सेकेंड इन द बोथ पेपर दे आर आस्क्ड फॉर द फंडामेंटल, इवन इन द मैथमेटिक्स, जियोटेक्निकल, स्टील, then your highway, railway, in every area they are just focus on the area, the fundamental core area. So try to be focused on that area only. It will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you for your time. We will come up with the new videos with this in this year in a different subject and different topic, maybe in the first shift or the second shift. You just let me know which is your required area or which your required domain you need to improve, or if you have any query just pin me. I will have a clear video on that. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you.